Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the today's question. This question involves the concepts of circle and straight line. It says if a variable line 3x plus 4y minus lambda equal to 0 is such that the two circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 18x minus 2y plus 78 equal to 0 are on its opposite sides, then the set of all values of lambda is the interval. Now students, in this problem, there can be three possibilities. The first one is when these two circles are lying on the opposite sides of the given line and both of these circles are not touching the given straight line. The second situation can be when one of the circles is touching the given straight line and the other circle lies on the opposite side but not touching the given straight line. And the third possibility can be when both of these circles are lying on the opposite sides of the given line and they are also touching the given straight line. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, from these three situations, we clearly observe that this is possible only when the first condition is that the centers of both of these circles must lie on the opposite sides of the given straight line. And the second condition is that the distances of the centers of these two circles from the given straight line must be greater than or equal to their corresponding radius. Now we have been given the equation of the first circle as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So clearly the coordinates of the center of this circle are 1, 1 and its radius is square root of 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. Now let's find the coordinates of the center as well as the radius of the second circle. Now the center of the second circle comes as 9, 1 and its radius is square root of 81 plus 1 minus 78, which is nothing but square root of 4 or equal to 2. Now the equation of the given straight line is 3x plus 4y minus lambda equal to 0. Right? Now students, we know that when the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 lie on the opposite sides of the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then the quantities ax1 plus by1 plus c and ax2 plus by2 plus c must be of opposite signs. So that means 7 minus lambda and 31 minus lambda must be of opposite signs. And since these two values are of opposite signs, so further I can say that the product of these two numbers must be negative. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, I can say that lambda minus 7 into lambda minus 31 must be less than 0. So by wavy curve method, we get lambda lying between 7 and 31. So let me call this result as number 1. Now we apply the second condition. And according to the second condition, the distances of the centers of these two circles from the given straight line must be greater than or equal to their corresponding radius. So that means mod of 7 minus lambda divided upon 5 greater than or equal to 1. And mod of 31 minus lambda divided upon 5 must be greater than or equal to 2. So from here, I get mod of lambda minus 7 greater than or equal to 5, or lambda greater than or equal to 12, or lambda minus 7 less than or equal to minus 5, which means lambda is less than or equal to 2, right? Let me call this result as number 2. Now we solve this particular inequation. From here we get mod of lambda minus 31 greater than or equal to 10. This means either lambda is greater than or equal to 41, or lambda is less than or equal to 21. Let me call this result as number 3. Now students, we will find the intersection of these three intervals, and finally we will get the answer. Now students, the intersection of these three intervals finally comes as lambda greater than or equal to 12 and less than or equal to 21. That means option C is the correct one. Now students, I will discuss the next question in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.